nice that we get the opportunity to also relax from just competing and going around and meeting people and playing games.
Tukaj mi je super, zato ker sem že tekmovala in takrat sem bila fokusirana samo na tekmo, tako da zdaj pa ni več tega stresa in lahko tam še uživam. In imamo res veliko aktivnosti tukaj, se lahko družimo z drugimi iz športi, z drugimi državami ali pa gremo v gaming sobo.
We had a lot of fun also, but the sport is like the most important here, I think, because that's why we came here.
Yeah, the sport is first, and then all the friends you got here is very awesome. Yeah.